All right, today I have a Cadillac XTS and I'm going to show you how to open up the gas cap fuel door on this Cadillac XTS, this particular Cadillac XTS. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a like, or some people call it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sitting in the Cadillac XTS, this particular Cadillac XTS. And in order to open up the fuel door, the gas cap on the XTS, what you're gonna have to do is first, see I'm sitting in front of the steering wheel. You're gonna have to make sure that my car is currently turned off and is in park. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out of the car. And then I am gonna look down here. As you can see right here, there is no button to open up the gas cap or the fuel door. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get out of the car and you're gonna walk around the car and you're going to get over to the fuel door. It's actually on the opposite side, on the rear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to it and I'm going to press it, and it pops open a little bit and I'm able to open it up like that. And in here, right there, it has no gas cap. Actually, it's just a lid right here. I'm just pressing it right here. This is where you put the pump into it. So just press it in here, and when you pull it out after you finish fueling up the vehicle, this shuts automatically on this particular Cadillac XTS. And when you're done with this, you just simply take the door, press it until it clicks into place, and it's flush against the car. And that is how you open up the gas cap and fuel door on the Cadillac XTS. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.